Draw battery na.
Ano ba yan? Hindi na kayo aabot na bisan nyo.
Hindi na ako aabot nito. Masaya to. Masaya ka dito. Dito.
Sige. Oy, Eric, lobat na.
Hoy, dapat na.
Kaya pa ba to?
Ano pa yan?
Kaya pa to? Kaya pa to?
Bilisan nyo na. Wala na yan. Bilisan nyo.
Ah, sige.
Dismiss mo.
Okay na.
Sige.
The priesthood of Christ is all about sacrifice. The redeeming sacrifice of Christ is one and unique. It was accomplished once and for all. So, example of this is the Eucharist sacrifice of the Church. Meron siyang three folds such as kingly, priestly, and prophetic. Sabi dito, only Christ is the first priest and the others are the altar priesthoods for another Christ. There are two ways of participation of Christ in priesthood. Yung una is true baptism and confirmation, and the last is ministerial priesthood or katulad ng bishops and priests.
Ayun. Tulad na sinabi niya, sabihin ko yung yung mga part ng holy orders. First one was the Eucharist. Di ba? Dati, parang ginawa na siya ni Christ. So, yung parang Last Supper. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito na parang kahit ngayon, kailangan gawin pa rin natin ito sa pag-aalala sa ginawa niya. Tapos, second was the forgiveness of sins. This power was first promised to Peter. Ito, ang simpleng explanation nito, parang pag nagawan ka ng kasalanan, kailangan marunong ka magpatawad kasi si God, sarili nga niya, di ba? Parang nakapagpatawad siya ng sarili niyang mga kapatid or kapwa.
So, some of this, ang sabi dito ay, yun nga, dalawang mahalagang sakramento, yung compil at saka baptism. Then the rest, yung Eucharist at saka forgiveness of sins, tapos propagation of faith. Ito yung celebration of sacraments bilang paggala. Katulad nga na sinabi ko, gagawin ko yung baptism at saka yung confirmation. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Sino susunod? Ano susunod?